Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a video that I've been requested by one of my good customers. How do I properly clean my engine? I'm about to show you. Alright, so these are the two basic things you're going to need. I like to start at the top. So that's good right there. You don't want to hit this real hard because it'll put holes in it. Then you want to start on the side. Let's do one more pass coming from the opposite direction. Now you want to blow all. I didn't want to start it up. It's always handy to have a good scan tool because sometimes the check engine light will get triggered. Oh, it's time for us to put the Hemi badge on there. Now she's mean looking again. We'll let the engine normal operating temperature dry it up. Now you just want to apply some shine. Give it a little shine. Take your little blower, spread it out evenly. With your ball, paper towel, and just wipe some of the basic flat parts. And that's it. Voila! I just want to say a special thanks for watching the video today. It was a fun job. I hope you learned step by step how to do this procedure with no hitch. Please check out and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of mechanic tricks and things like that we'll be adding. You have a great day.